What up, world? It's your boy Get To It TV coming at y'all with another money making app. Right here, this app right here is called Stringr. As you can see, I'm gonna show y'all about this app. I'm just getting hip to it and everything. Seen it on Facebook and everything. So this right here is a good little app, I guess, if you like taking pictures and everything. So it says right here, like. I'm in Cincinnati, so it's saying if I go over here right now and take a picture of this right here, I guess it's a crash, or take a video of it, and they'll give me $40. So that's just $40 just for taking a video of it. So it's just this request right now, but they be having a lot. I seen 2 or 3 over here at a time. So and it's not like they know where it's at. I guess they hear about something, they hear about a crash, and they want you to go take a video of it, or a picture or something like that, and they pay you. So this right here seems like a cool little app. I ain't been able to get me a picture yet, but I'm definitely about to start checking this out and see how this is right here. And I see them every day. So I'm in kind of a nice size city. So maybe if like you in a real rural area somewhere where it's not so big, you probably won't get as many. But if you in a bigger city, you probably get a lot, because I see at least, because I be checking it, because I just found out about it. So I'm like, oh, let me see what this is about. And I check it every day to see if I got like something that's close to me. Like if I was out and about right now, I probably would go to this, because I got some people that stay over here in Westwood. So if I was over in Westwood or something, I'd be like, oh shoot, I'll just slide over there and just take the video right quick. And all you had to do is upload it. And so it's a Queen City Avenue at Wyoming truck. I said, yeah, that's right there with a UDF at. Yeah, I used to stay right over there. So I accept it, and then I guess you say you will be paid $40 the next business day if a customer buys your video. Okay, so I guess you like you selling the video. Okay. So this could be for any type of thing. So the news, or you know what I mean, like I guess something like that, or so if somebody want the video, then you get paid for it. Okay, so I'm also, let's check this ain't got no referral bonuses or nothing like that, so I'm just giving y'all the plain review. This also has, okay, so this how it look when you go on the Play Store or something like that. Let me see. Okay, so it got 3.7 stars. Not so bad. You know what I'm saying? 3.7 out of 50,000 downloads. So that seemed pretty decent. And I mean, almost to the 4-star. And I mean, get a couple hundred more. I mean, to me, if you want to download this, it's called Stringr Video. So if you go on the App Store, Play Store, this is what it look like right here. Stringr Video right there for you right there. So it's another money making app, man. Check my channel out, like, subscribe. I come at y'all with all different ways to try to get to this money on your phone. You don't need no job for real. Work for yourself. Get it how you live it. You know what I mean? If you do work, you can still work. Get you some money on the side. You know what I mean? If you got too much going on and ain't nobody got the right hours for you, got them jobs for you, you know what I mean? Just every different type of way to get to that money. So like, subscribe my channel. Got a Facebook page out there. It's called Hustle Face.